Hi students, this is Sev Prasad. Today I am explaining about hybridization topic. For calculating hybridization, easy formula is there. Look at the shortcut formula. Hybridization is equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A, where V is valential electrons on central atom. Valential electrons on central atom. Suppose if any covalent molecule is there, for the covalent molecule is having central atom. So we have to identify the central atom, where M is surrounding monovalent atoms. What are surrounding monovalent atoms? Generally, surrounding monovalent atoms are hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and etc. So these atoms are having valency 1. So they are called monovalent atoms. Suppose oxygen, sulfur, other elements are coming, the valency is 2. So they are divalency elements. So you see here, V means surrounding monovalent atoms only. And look at C. C is charge on cation. Suppose if any cation is there in the given molecule, so for that positive charge is there, we have to take the negative sign for that charge. Where A is charge on anion. Any negatively charged ion is there, we have to take the positive sign with that negatively charged ion. And after finding the hybridization of the central atom, we have to look at lone pair of electrons also. Because lone pair of electrons deviates the shape of the molecule and changes the bond angle of the total molecule. That's why lone pairs equal to, after finding the hybridization, we can call their total pairs. Total pairs minus surrounding atoms. So lone pairs equal to total pairs minus surrounding atoms. Here total pairs means after finding the hybridization, how many number of pairs are coming according to this formula, the pairs are called total pairs. So total pairs minus surrounding atoms. For finding lone pairs equal to total pairs minus surrounding atoms. Look at first example. Beryllium chloride. In beryllium chloride, what is the central atom? Beryllium is central atom. Now hybridization on beryllium is equal to half into, here V means valential electrons on central atom. So beryllium is having 2 valential electrons plus surrounding monovalent atoms. Monovalent atoms means what are monovalent atoms? Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. See here, 2 chlorines are there too. And minus C plus A. No charge on this compound. That's why 4 by 2, it is having 2. 2 means on BeCl2 molecule, central atom beryllium undergoes sp hybridization. Suppose central atom is exhibiting sp hybridization, shape of the molecule is linear and bond angle is 180. So it is the linear molecule and look at the bond angle is 180. So it is shape is linear and bond angle is 180. And look at this molecule is having 2 pairs are there. These 2 pairs are bond pairs. How can we identify that? Look at for calculating lone pairs equal to here total obtained pairs 2 minus surrounding atoms with central atom is also 2 chlorines. That's why 0 lone pairs. So a molecule is having no lone pairs. It is called regular molecule. And also we can call they are symmetrical molecules also. For this molecule, shape is linear, bond angle is 180. Is it octet or not octet? Because the central atom beryllium is having 2 bonded pairs. That's why 2 pairs means 4 electrons only formed around the beryllium central atom. That's why on BeCl2 having 2 pairs are there. 2 2s are 4 electrons only. That's why it is not octet molecule. It is not octet molecule. And it is having no lone pairs, 0 lone pairs. That's why it is called a symmetrical molecule. For symmetrical molecules, dipole moment mu is equal to 0. Look at And also here, sigma bonds, two sigma bonds are there and pi bonds 0. And oxidation state of central atom beryllium is, so Be is exhibiting +2 oxidation state. For example, if we calculate hybridization of the any covalent molecule or any covalent species, first of all we can calculate hybridization of the shape, bond angle, maybe lone pairs are existing or not depending upon lone pairs, so which deviates the bond angle and shape. Is it octet or not octet? 5 bonds also gathered around the central atom. That's why with the help of structure only we can say is it octet or not. Look at now one more example. Boron trichloride BCl3 molecule. In BCl3 look at that. Hybridization is equal to half into V valential electrons and boron 3 valential electrons plus M surrounding monovalent atoms. So 3 chlorines are there. Minus C plus A means here no charge on cation, here no positive charge and no negative charge. That's why these two are minus 0 and plus 0. So it is equal to 3. So a central atom of the molecule is having 3 pairs. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. Now lone pairs equal to, here obtained how many pairs? 3 minus lone pairs equal to total pairs minus surrounding atoms. So total pairs means here 3 pairs obtained. The 3 minus surrounding atoms means with central atom how many surrounding chlorines are there? 3 chlorines. So 3 minus 3, 0. So in this molecule is having no lone pairs. That's why it is also regular molecule. Look at the structure of the molecule. With boron 3 chlorines are there. Its structure is planar molecule or trigonal planar. For this molecule, bond angle is 120 degrees. Is it octet or not octet? With boron, how many surrounding bonds are there? 1, 2, 3 only. 3 2s are 6 electrons. That's why it is not octet molecule. And look at, is it symmetrical or unsymmetrical? See, with central atom equally shared the 3 chlorine atoms. That's why it is a symmetrical molecule. And also for symmetrical molecule, dipole moment mu is equal to 0. It means this molecule is having no lone pairs. So mu equal to 0. It is a symmetrical molecule. And also how many sigma bonds in this molecule? 3 sigma bonds and pi bonds 0. Oxidation state of the boron. Oxidation state of boron is +3 will be coming. So this is the hybridization and remaining points of the molecule. Look at next example is methane CH4. In methane, find the hybridization on the central atom of carbon. So hybridization is equal to half into central atom is carbon. Carbon belongs to 4th group. That's why it is having 4 valential electrons, 4 plus surrounding monovalent atoms. 4 hydrogens are there, 4. Here no charge on cation and no charge on anion. That's why minus 0 and plus 0. So it is equal to 4. So central atom of the molecule having 4 pairs. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now lone pairs equal to 4 minus surrounding atoms with central atom also 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So this molecule is having no lone pairs. That's why it is a regular molecule. Look at the structure of the molecule. Carbon can form 3 bonds. All the 3 bonds on the plane. And one more bond is there, which is tetrahedral molecule. It is tetrahedral shape. For this molecule, bond angle is 109 degrees, 28 minutes. Look at this molecule, central atom carbon is having 4 pairs. That's why all the 4 pairs are bond pairs. So tetrahedral shape and bond angle is 109 degrees, 28 minutes. Now it is octet molecule. Because central atom carbon is having 4 pairs. It is a symmetrical molecule. For symmetrical molecules, dipole moment mu is equal to 0. Look at in this molecule, sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4 and pi bonds 0. Oxidation state of carbon. Oxidation state of carbon is minus 4 will come. Next example, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. Actually PCl5 in gaseous phase. Look at hybridization on central atom phosphorus is equal to, phosphorus belongs to 5th group, that's why 5 plus surrounding monovalent atoms also 5 and minus 0 plus 0. So it is having 5 pairs. A central atom is having 5 pairs. Its hybridization is sp3d. Central atom undergoes sp3d hybridization. Now lone pair is equal to total pairs here obtained 5 minus surrounding atoms also 5. So 5 minus 5, 0. Now look at the structure of the molecule. Central atom phosphorus can form planar atoms. Here the planar atoms, 3 chlorines on the plane and three chlorines on the plane with the central atom phosphorus also. 1 chlorine above the plane and 1 chlorine below the plane. So this structure name is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Here bond angle can be possible 90 degrees and also 120 degrees. Now central atom phosphorus having 5 pairs. So all the 5 pairs are bond pairs. Here no lone pairs are 0. That's why it is also symmetrical molecule. For symmetrical molecules, dipole moment mu is equal to 0. Central atom phosphorus having 5 to 10 electrons. That's why it is not octet. Suppose central atom having 4 pairs only, that is octet. Less than 4 pairs and more than 4 pairs, they are not octet molecules. Now sigma bonds are 5 and pi bonds 0. Now oxygen state of phosphorus is equal to plus 5. Here central atom phosphorus exhibits plus 5 oxidation state. Actually, here one more question is coming in the previous examinations, like how many planar atoms in PCl5 molecule? On plane 3 chlorines are there and central atom phosphorus also on the plane. That's why here planar atoms are 4. Chlorines 3 and central atom phosphorus also 1. That's why 4 planar atoms are existing in this structure. Look at now, phosphorus pentachloride also having solid forms. So solid forms of PCl5 are PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. Look at now, PCl4 plus. The hybridization of phosphorus in PCl4 plus ion is half into phosphorus belongs to 5th group and also it is having 5 valence electrons, that's why 5 plus. Surrounding monovalent atoms 4. Here positive charge is there, that's why you have to take charge on cation minus 1 plus charge on anion is 0. 8 by 2 4. So it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now lone pairs equal to total pairs here obtained 4 minus surrounding atoms also 4. That's why 4 minus 4 0. So PCl4 plus ion is having no lone pair of electrons. That's why it is also a regular molecule. So a central atom of the molecule having 4 pairs. All the 4 pairs are bond pairs. So shape of the molecule is tetrahedral and bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So look at the structure of this molecule. Now here PCl4 plus means actually here one coordinate covalent bond found between Cl plus and P, and the remaining bonds are covalent bonds. So it is also like a tetrahedral shape. Bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. It is octet molecule and it is also symmetrical molecule. For symmetrical molecules, dipole moment mu is equal to 0. And here sigma bonds 4, pi bonds are 0. Because coordinate covalent bond also considered as one of the covalent bond. That's why here 4 sigma bonds and 0 pi bonds. Central atom phosphorus oxidation state is P equal to plus 5 will come. Look at now PCl6 minus. PCl6 minus equal to half into phosphorus valence electrons 5 plus surrounding monovalent atoms 6. Here no charge on cation, that's why minus 0 plus charge on anion is having minus 1. Here 1 equal to 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. 12 by 2 6. It undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Now lone pairs equal to here obtained total pairs 6 minus surrounding atoms also 6. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Here also no lone pairs. So central atom of the molecule is having 6 pairs. So all these 6 pairs are bond pairs. Shape of the molecule is octahedral. Look at the structure. It is octahedral molecule. And here, between phosphorus and one of the chlorine, like Cl minus ion is there here. Between chloride ion to phosphorus is having one coordinate covalent bond. So coordinate covalent bond coming from chloride ion to central atom phosphorus. Now its structure is octahedral. Its bond angle is 90 degrees. It is not octet because it is having 6 pairs, 6 to the 12 electrons around the central atom phosphorus. That's why it is not octet molecule. And it is symmetrical molecule because no lone pairs. For symmetrical molecules, dipole moment mu equal to 0. And in this molecule having 6 sigma bonds and 0 pi bonds. Now oxidation state of central atom phosphorus is having +5. So this is the hybridization of solid PCl5. So solid PCl5 having two forms, PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. PCl4 plus exhibits sp3 hybridization and PCl6 minus exhibits sp3d2 hybridization. Students, I am explaining previous competitive examination questions in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share and press bell icon for getting new updates. Thank you.